Hey guys, I own a H501s. A while ago I let someone fly it and they crashed it pretty hard. When I tried starting it up again, I got this weird beepy noise. And I was able to calibrate the gyros and start the motors, however one did fail to start. And I'm going to demonstrate that here quick. Now as I turn this motor here, you'll notice it makes the beepy noise change a little bit, and that'll tell you that there's something wrong between that motor and the power board. I'm gonna quick calibrate the gyros off camera. Alright guys, if you get this noise, check all your connections on your power board. This picture shows you what happened to mine. The module that you plug the motor connections into got pulled off my board when it crashed. The wires were wrapped around some others, and I'm guessing that during impact it was enough to pull the connection straight off. All I had to do was get those connections resoldered, and I also unraveled those wires a bit so they would be loose. Again, look closely at your power board. Look for things that came off or came loose. From some reading I did, you'll want to check these wires here that connect the board to the flight controls. Definitely have a look at those. Hopefully you will find this video helpful. And if you're still having trouble, it's probably best to just call Hubs and get with tech support from them. So thanks for watching and happy flying.